Mastering output control. Training and development holds the key to unlocking operational excellence. What specific responsibilities and contributions does training and development play in guaranteeing that their employees possess the necessary competence to effectively implement and maintain output control mechanisms that drive operational excellence? Training and development play a pivotal role in ensuring that employees possess the necessary competence to effectively implement and maintain output control mechanisms that drive operational excellence. The primary responsibility of training and development in this context is to equip employees with the skills, knowledge, and attitudes required to design, implement, and sustain output control systems that consistently deliver high-quality products or services. Firstly, training and development must focus on building a comprehensive understanding of output control principles, including the importance of process capability, statistical process control, and continuous improvement. This foundation will enable employees to design and implement effective output control mechanisms that are aligned with the organization's operational excellence goals. Secondly, training and development must provide employees with the necessary technical skills to analyze and interpret data, identify trends, and make informed decisions about process adjustments. This may include training on statistical analysis tools, data visualization techniques, and problem-solving methodologies. Thirdly, training and development must address the soft skills required for effective output control, such as communication, collaboration, and leadership. Employees must be able to work effectively with cross-functional teams, communicate complex data insights to stakeholders, and lead improvement initiatives to sustain output control mechanisms over time. In terms of specific contributions, training and development can guarantee that employees possess the necessary competence to implement and maintain output control mechanisms in several ways. 1. Competency-based training. Develop and deliver training programs that focus on building specific competencies required for output control, such as process mapping, root cause analysis, and control chart implementation. 2. On-the-job training. Provide opportunities for employees to apply their skills and knowledge in real-world scenarios, under the guidance of experienced mentors or coaches. 3. Mentorship programs. Pair employees with experienced mentors who can provide guidance, support, and feedback as they implement and maintain output control mechanisms. 4. Coaching for improvement. Provide coaching on continuous improvement techniques, such as Kaizen or Six Sigma, to enable employees to identify opportunities for improvement and implement changes to output control mechanisms. 5. Knowledge management. Develop and maintain a knowledge management system that captures best practices, lessons learned, and process improvements, ensuring that employees can access and apply this knowledge to improve output control mechanisms over time. 6. Certification and accreditation. Establish certification or accreditation programs to recognize employees who have demonstrated competence in output control principles and practices, providing a benchmark for excellence and encouraging ongoing learning and development. 7. Leadership development. Develop leadership skills among managers and supervisors to ensure they can lead by example, coach and support their teams, and drive a culture of operational excellence. 8. Change management. Provide training and support to help employees adapt to changes in output control mechanisms, processes, or technology, minimizing disruption and ensuring a smooth transition. 9. Process ownership. Empower employees to take ownership of specific processes or output control mechanisms, encouraging them to take pride in their work and strive for continuous improvement. 10. Continuous learning. Encourage a culture of continuous learning, providing opportunities for employees to attend workshops, conferences, and seminars, and stay up to date with industry best practices and emerging trends in output control. By fulfilling these responsibilities and contributions, training and development can guarantee that employees possess the necessary competence to implement and maintain output control mechanisms that drive operational excellence, ensuring the delivery of high-quality products or services that meet customer requirements and expectations.